guests, step carefully but quickly into the seat that's directly.
Wow, I did not know.
I didn't know we were going yet. Oh my god. Oh my god.
What's up guys, it's Ben from Theme Park Groupie. Thanks for watching our video of Tigris at night at Busch Gardens Tampa. With it being all lit up, it almost looks red, and at night it's just absolutely beautiful, and the ride is so much fun. The most liked comment from our Iron Gwazi VIP party video comes from Carlos Morales. He says, "Oh, it looks so good," and he has some sad news that he's the only one from his family not going to Disney World in Florida, so he says us making these videos feels like he is. Thanks so much, Carlos, and if you want your comment read on our next video, comment on this one and let us know if you have ridden Tigris before, and the most liked comment gets read on our next video. We hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. If you did like this video, go ahead and like and subscribe. Thanks for watching Theme Park Groupie.